Hi
guys,
this is my Mima.
and this is my Arella. For today's video, I have a question for Arella so we can check how smart she is. But I'll give you time to think before you answer. It's okay to think. I'll give you time. What was the worst thing you have ever eaten? And why is it so bad? Sige, maisip ka muna.
Meron na ako.
Po?
Meron na po ako.
Sige, ano?
Chicken fillet.
Oh, bakit naman maging worst yan?
Ang maanghang sa bibig ko.
Po?
Maanghang po sa bibig ko.
Dito ka.
Maanghang po sa bibig ko.
Ah, okay. Saan mo nakain yung chicken fillet?
Makdo.
Po?
Makdo po.
Po?
Makdo po.
Ah, okay. Oo nga. Spicy nga yun eh, no? Pero, though spicy siya, hindi naman worst yun ah. I think there's much worse.
Alam ko na.
Mm.
Alam ko na.
Sige po, ano po yan?
May medicine.
Well, you're right. Your medicines, ano ba nung sa medicine mo ang hindi mo gusto yung taste?
The two. The orange and the other one with water.
Ah, oo. Kasi one time, nag-antibiotic siya. Pero kung titingnan mo dun sa box, ang flavor niya
Ice
is
cream.
ice cream vanilla, parang gano'n.
Caramel.
Ayun, ice cream caramel yung flavor. Pero nasusuka siya doon. Ewan ko. Ang sarap naman ng flavor na yun. Why?
Nilagay ng asukal.
Oh, I mean, why is it worse for you? I mean, masarap naman yung flavor, pero bakit hindi mo siya nagustuhan?
Because ice cream cannot go well with medicine. I only like it if it has sugar, but that doesn't have sugar. If you taste ice cream with sugar, that's not a big deal. It's gonna be like medicine.
Oo nga naman, no? May point naman si Arella, parang hindi naman bagay yung yung ice cream na ini-imagine mo na masarap, tapos biglang kakainin mo as medicine, as gamot. Yucky. Oo nga, you have a point naman. Okay. Parang antibiotic yun eh, pero hindi ko na matandaan yung brand, pero it's antibiotic. Tapos, ang lapot pa niya. So, syempre, if you're not feeling well,
Lakot.
hindi, I mean, if you're not feeling well, tapos, syempre, minsan pag
Fever.
pag may fever tayo, bad taste tayo, no? Ang lapot pa niya, So, marang ang hirap niya it's hard to swallow, di ba? So, lalong hindi niya mainom, kaya pag nainom niya, mas nasusuka pa siya. Yeah, I remember that. Oh, okay. So, di ingatan mong magkasakit na wag ikaw magkasakit para hindi ka iinom ng medicine. Hanggang ngayon nga, umiinom pa siyang medicine eh. For,
Fight for sickness!
oh yeah, she has cough and cough lang naman.
Cough lang.
Oo.
Pero yung sipon, nawawala na.
Opo, wala ka na pong sipon.
I have to fight for sickness. I'm gonna stop you sickness.
Okay, I think also that's the worst. Actually, it's not a food, pero it's something that we eat. Okay, thank you for watching our video. Thank you for sharing, Arella. Bye. God bless.